Hey guys, welcome back to Claudia's Corner. I'm your girl Claudia's. So today's video is about Casely. She has a severe case of scoliosis which will require surgery, and we were asked by the surgeon to do a CT scan. Why are you crying?
Because I'm afraid of the doctor.
Well, why are you afraid of the doctor?
I don't know.
Is your back hurting you?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, this is gonna be better soon, okay?
Okay, mommy. Okay.
Alright, no crying now.
Okay.
You promise? So this is what your back looks like. Turn around. So this is the room where Casely is going to do the CAT scan. So here I am in the room preparing myself, about the whole radiation thing. So I have to put on this vest. Casely also has mild autism, so she's scared of everything. She doesn't like enclosed areas. She's crying. And that's Nikki. She's assisting her. So it took us almost an hour to get her to lie down on the bed. Nikki was very patient. She was awesome.
Specialty that somebody is yeah, don't be afraid. That is not leaving you, okay? You're gonna hold that his hand. I'm moving too.
I'm right here.
Take borrow your watch a moment, okay?
So
That's your favorite color?
we're trying to
Awesome.
tell her some things that she wanted that we're gonna buy for her so that we can get her to lie down to go into the machine.
Yeah, today, you can't, I ain't gonna make sure you go today, okay? You don't go today, you're calling me, alright? Okay. Alright, so that is gonna put this hand on your head right here, okay? And then when it moves, that is gonna walk with it, okay? Alright. And then you're gonna hear mommy talk to her maybe now and again so she'll hear mommy's voice. Okay?
I'm right here, Casely.
I'm free.
Whoa!
There you go.
Wow.
Tell Daddy to move that hand. No, Daddy hand not moving. He's right here. He's going to continue singing. Awesome. Right there, so I want you. I'm not going to move you anymore, okay?
Today? Today? Say that. Daddy, today?
This side. Awesome.
So for being so good, Casely got a smiley face.
So remember that it's going to buy you the stock, right? Orange and yellow stock. Okay.